Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Clarendon Park. We are on the main road that takes you from the town of Maypen to the town of Mandeville. And we are driving through Clarendon Park just on the outskirts of the Juicy Beef head office. Okay, so on the right is the famous Murray's Jerk Chicken. The official name is Murray's Fish and Jerk Hut, but they also sell curry goat and some very nice food over there. It's a very popular spot in Jamaica, especially when you're using this road. That's a stop most persons look forward to. Now, when the highway is opened up, not sure what's going to happen re the traffic in this area. The highway is going to connect you from Maypen to Mandeville via Highway 2000. They're supposed to have an interchange in this area somewhere, Clarendon Park area. You can't see the construction at interchange from the main road yet, but somewhere in this area. We actually are going to start using drones to make these videos, to assist in making these videos. So we're going to look for that interchange via the drone soon. But the highway runs to the left of where we are now. So okay, over here now is the Juicy Patties. It's they have their main office where they actually make the patties, and they also have an outlet there. There's also a plaza over here called Clarendon Park. Alright, so we just passed a sign that says you're leaving Clarendon Park. It seems to be some sort of traffic thing where they check this is a traffic authority. They work alongside the police and they check mostly trucks and cars, not cars, like commercial vehicles, to make sure they have the proper documents. They will check a car if it's crowded with people to make sure it's not running an illegal taxi. But basically it's just to check mostly trucks and buses and those kind of vehicles that need a commercial license. So if they see a vehicle that looks like it should have a commercial license but it doesn't, they will check it to see what's going on. So we're heading into the poorest area now. So we're soon going to get to the border between Clarendon and Manchester. And I just want to point out, you see the state of this road, you see the potholes, and this is a main road on the south coast of Jamaica. A main road. Alright, this is a welcome site. However, it doesn't seem like, or maybe they're widening the road, but this is good. Yep, this road is a disgrace. This is a main road in Jamaica. A main road. It should never be in a state like this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.